A for
apple.
apple means
Shape.
B for
Ball.
ball means
Gained.
C for
Cat.
cat means
Billy.
D for
Dog.
dog means
Kotta.
E for
Elephant.
elephant means
Hathi.
F for
Fish.
fish means
Machli.
G for
Goat.
goat means
Goat.
H for
Hen.
hen means
Nand.
murgi.
Boogie.
I for
Ice cream.
ice cream means
Apple. Mine.
ice cream.
Apple. Banana.
J for
Mama. Apple. Bandage.
I.
Apple.
J for